All right, hello. I just wanted to share a little piece of information. I was trying to change the tires on my hand truck here, and I did one side, and I want to share with everyone an easier way than what I saw on the interwebs. Because what they have is they have everybody trying to pry that little cap off. That cap there that holds the tire on, they're all trying to pry it off. So what I did is I did the opposite. Instead of pry it off, push it off. So what I did was I tipped the tire over. I sprayed some loop penetrating oil in there. Be it Croyle, WD-40, PB Blaster, whatever you got. I don't know what kind you like to use. And I let it sit for a couple of minutes. Then what I did was I took a hammer and a piece of wood, lined it up on the rim like that, like such. Put my foot here. Now if I can hold the camera and beat on this at the same time, I don't know, maybe trying. I'm not much of a video guy. And what you do is you just beat on it. And there it goes. That's probably the fastest tire change you've ever seen on Facebook. Now what you do is you take the washer, you put it back on. The washer that was the inside washer. Put on your new tire. There we go. Replace your cap. Get that on there. And take your hammer, which you already have. Give it a little tap, 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 tap. Look at that. You're done. So instead of spending 45 minutes fighting to pull those off, you can just beat them off with a piece of wood and a hammer in about 15 seconds and a little bit of lubricant. All right, I hope this helps somebody.